before that, let's have an objective first. Please read.
At the end of the lesson, the pupils will be able to identify the three aspects of health triangle, explain the three aspects of health triangle, and classify examples of each aspect of health triangle.
Okay. Okay, class. Any idea what is health triangle? What is health triangle? Yes, Margaret?
For me, health triangle are the three aspects of our health.
Yes. Health triangle, it involves the three aspects.
Yes.
The first aspect is the
Physical,
physical.
mental, and social.
So, let look at the picture, class. So, what have you noticed?
They are exercising.
Okay, they are doing exercises. So, did you engage exercises?
Yeah.
Okay. So, from this picture, from these three aspects of health triangle, so where does it belong? Physical. Very good. Okay, please read the physical health.
Physical health, the condition of your body, taking care of it.
Okay, class. How do you take your body?
We're doing regular exercise.
Okay, what else? Can you give me?
Drinking healthy food with water and tea.
Okay, very good. So physical health is the condition of your taking care of it. So when you are drinking alcohol, is it healthy?
No!
Okay, very good. When you are eating healthy foods, is it healthy for your bodies?
Yes!
Okay, now let's proceed to let's proceed to the next picture. What have you noticed?
There are hands.
Give me a phrase that can define that picture.
Teamwork.
Teamwork. Okay. Who said unity? Yes, very good. Unity. So this picture illustrates the unity and teamwork.
Yeah.
So from these three aspects, where does this belong to?
Social.
Social, very good. So please read the social health.
Social health. Communicating well and having respect for family, friends, and acquaintances. Building relationships with people you can trust and who can trust you in return.
Okay, class. So, do you have friends?
Yeah, of course, teacher.
Do you trust your friends?
Not all. Yeah.
Okay.
My secret teacher, I will not tell them.
Okay. So, building social health, it is communicating well and having respect for family, friends, and acquaintances. Building relationship with people you can trust and who can trust you in return. So, next is, for this next picture.
Emotion.
What have you noticed in this first picture?
Think positive.
So, when we say think positive, it involves
Our
our
mind.
minds are
Brain.
How about the second picture?
Different emotions.
Different emotions. So, which among you here in the second picture? Which among you here? What emotions you have?
That's underlying that.
Are you happy?
Happy.
Sad?
Medyo. Both. Happy. Sometimes sad.
If you are happy, are you healthy?
Yeah.
If you are too much happy, is that healthy?
No.
How about if you are sad?
I'm not happy.
Okay. It is because
It can affect your heart. good mental or emotional health by learning to think positively and express feelings in healthy ways.
Okay. So these pictures belongs to
Mental, emotional health.
health. Okay, class, did you understand our topic for this morning?
Yes.
Okay, since you have already know what are the three aspects of health triangle, I have here questions to test your knowledge. Okay, what are the three aspects of health triangle?
Teacher!
Yes, testing.
The three aspects of health triangle are the social health, the physical health, and the mental or emotional health.
Okay. So next, what is the importance of these three aspects? The importance.
For me, teacher, for me,
Yes.
the importance of these three aspects of health is for us to become healthy.
Yes. So remember, class, the importance of these three aspects. So there should be a balance.
Yes.
It is because your body or your whole aspects as human, it will not be comfortable enough. So let's have an activity now. So count 1, 2,
1, 2, 1.
2. Okay. So read the direction.
Classify examples, each aspect, and health triangle.
Okay. So before that, let's rubrics before you do the task. Okay.
Meaningful, 15%. Cooperation, 10%. Organized, 5%. And the total of 30%.
Okay. So group 1 here. Group 2. So all you need to do is to classify each examples, aspects in health triangle. You have to classify it. You put inside of the triangle. At the top. The top. Never mind okay. Place that on the board and choose a representative to report your output.
No.
Okay, group 1, present your works.
For physical health, digestion, the proper sleep, exercise, lifestyle, versus school activities. For social health, without friendship, communication, social support, and inclusiveness. And for mental health, alcohol use, professional work, learning, and love other, and goodness.
Okay. So is group 1 are correct, class?
Yeah.
Okay.
Teacher.
So how about the group 2?
Teacher. So for physical, we have exercise, strength, physical sports, food, sleep, alcohol use. And for social, we have unity, belongingness, friends, and relationship. And for the mental or emotional, trust, learning, creativity, stress, and decision making.
Okay. So both groups are almost heard. So that's all for today.
Goodbye. Bye, teacher.